Hi guys, welcome back to the RMA Car Care YouTube channel for 2024, and we are kicking off the year hard and fast. We have one of the most desirable sports cars in the world right now, and let me tell you, it's a 992 GT3. And not only is it a 992 GT3, it is a Porsche PTS paint to sample colour. Come inside and find out which one it is. Wow, well you have a look at this guys. Porsche paint to sample Gulf Blue. Now this car was built for the driver, it was built for the enthusiast, it was built for roads, and it was built for track. How are we going to protect it? With RMA Car Care paint protection film. Before starting the job, we'll start with a pre-PPF inspection, inspecting all high impact areas of the car, such as the front bumper, bonnet, wings and wing mirrors, and we'll also be noting any damage to the paint, any swirls, scratches or any imperfections at this point. Next we'll move on to cleaning the wheels of the GT3, using a wheel cleaner that is suitable for the finish on this car. We'll spray on the wheel cleaner, let it dwell for the recommended dwelling times, and then we will agitate with a wash mitt and detailing brushes across the face, the barrels, the calipers and the Porsche centre lock hubs. First of all, we'll rinse off the car before moving on to a snow foam pre-wash. While the snow foam is dwelling, we will use a soft tip detailing brush to clean the panel gaps, the grills, badges and any intricate areas that we need to get cleaned at that time. After that, we'll then rinse off the car again before moving on to our 2-bucket hand wash. Moving from top to bottom, panel by panel and using straight lines only. Before polish and paint correction, we will need to decontaminate the car. We will do that by using a clay bar to remove any contaminants bonded to the clear coat on this PTS Gulf Blue finish. Now we'll move on to the paint correction stage, where we'll correct any light swirls, scratches and imperfections in the paintwork before enhancing gloss levels and then locking that in with paint protection film. Well, there we have it guys, the first car of 2024 is complete. And what a cracker it was, one of our favourite cars in the market just now, the 992 GT3. Dressed in an incredible PTS Gulf Blue. And not only that, this one has a manual gearbox. Proper driver's car. And for a proper driver's car, it needs proper protection, which we have done. Top to bottom, in 10-year warranty, paint protection film. Along with that, we've done the wheels and calipers in G-Technic's wheel armour. This car is now ready for both track and daily use. So that's that, guys. We can't wait to show you what's coming up next in 2024. Thank you for visiting the channel. Like and comment down below your thoughts on this Gulf Blue PTS 992 GT3.